Okay, let's go to the final part in question 2. One study involving gone and off was done using 2,000 secondary school students. A researcher stated that this was from a normally distributed population. State with reasons why or why not the ages of students at secondary school would come from a normal distribution. In fact, they do not come from a normal distribution. If you were talking about the height of students, you would find that there are very few students who are very tall and very few students that are very short, and so you'd end up with a graph that looked like a bell shape with a very few low number at the very bottom, and then goes up really high for a large number of people in the middle height, and then it goes down to the bottom again in the bell shape for the people who, because there's not many people who have a very tall. However, what are we looking at here? We're looking at ages. Do we have less people when the age gets greater? Well, you might get a few less at year 13. What about year 9? Do you have less people at year 9 and a whole lot of people at year 10 and 11? And does it peak at year 11 where there's a lot of students? Because that's what it would be. If it was a normal distribution, then you'd have a peak in the middle number, middle age, students who have a middle age and middle age group. All right, but we don't. No, we have pretty much the same number of students at year 9 as at year 10 and year 11, year 12 and year 13. So it's not a normal distribution. Okay, you need to just write down the distribution of secondary school students is not close to a normal distribution. There are approximately the same number of students at each year level and age, of course. Okay, there may be a smaller number at year 13, but the distribution is closer to uniform. Uniform, well, that means the same. Uniform means the same number at each year level, at each age. Okay?